Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how to set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi Pod. The process is very simple, you just have to follow me till the end. First, power on the pod, plug the Wi-Fi port into a power outlet. The indicator light will flash white for about 5 to 10 minutes while it pairs with your hub. Now wait for the light to turn solid white. The port has successfully connected and is ready to extend your Wi-Fi network. Now, step number 3. You have to place the port strategically. You can place your port halfway between your hub and the area where you need a stronger signal. Make sure it is not in a dead zone as it needs a good signal to boost one. Download the Virgin Media Connection app if you have not already. Open the app to check your port status and confirm they are working correctly. You can also see which devices are connected to each port. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up your Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.